How do I choose a home stager? Well, of course, the easy answer is if you're checking us out, it's probably safe to say that you've already found the home stager for your home. However, if you're still not sure, do your research and check out some of your local home stagers. Check out their portfolio and their reviews. If you've hired a real estate agent, ask if they have a home stager that they prefer to work with. Most home stagers offer similar pricing, and you should never base your decision on price. Remember, home staging is an investment, and saving a few dollars on your home staging services could mean losing thousands on the return of your home. Things to look for from your home staging company. Are they fully insured and bonded? What sort of training have they received to become a home stager? And do they continue to update their skills in order to stay current with today's trends and techniques for marketing your home to today's buyers? Are they affiliated with a trade association such as the Real Estate Staging Association, or RESA as it's commonly known? How long have they been in business for? And what experience do they have in homes similar to yours?